Hey guys, Aaron here again, back with you. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin filter on your Porsche Boxster 986. This is one of the easiest jobs you will do. First step is to open the frunk or the front trunk. Then you're going to remove this little plastic cover over your battery. You just turn each of these little tabs 90 degrees and then they lift right out. And just set this down. Your cabin filter lives right under here, so we just have to remove one more panel with a T25. So you just unscrew this. Typically, mine is kind of jacked up and the little rubber grommet that this screws into is loose. So actually all I have to do is lift this panel up and then it will just separate from the back. You can see these two tabs for when you replace it, slide back in. But yeah, my little rubber grommet just pops out of the hole, so yours may or may not do that. And that's the cabin filter. You already have access to it. It does show you the direction of airflow, so remember that. So when you put the other one back in, you will get it correct. And there is a little clip here. You just pull that back and it releases it. That is the only thing holding your filter in. And you can just pull it out. So you can see that whoever installed this one didn't have it in all the way correctly, it looks like, because there are those ridges that are all jacked up, but it's a little dirty. I have not ever changed the cabin filter on this, so who knows how long that's been there. So this is the new filter. You can see how much cleaner this one is. I will put a link in the description of this video so you can pick one up on Amazon. They're pretty cheap. Oh, and before I forget, a quick shout out to Daniel and Fausto, my two new members that have joined since my last video. So thanks guys for your support. If you're interested in becoming a member, just check out the join button next to the subscribe button. Installation should be as easy as just putting it back in place. Put that corner in. This is just a little foam piece so you can push it out of the way if you need to. Just kind of gently try to caress this foam back down into the little tray. So I guess that is why it was messed up a little bit on the previous one. When I get it back in, it does that here too. So it looks like the reason for that is there's this little ridge right here before you get to the back of the tray. And I guess it was catching on that ridge, so I need to set it on top of that one before it gets back up there. Also, if you have any debris down here, it's a great time to get your vacuum out and clean that up. This time I'll push this one all the way to the back and kind of lift that corner up over that little ridge. Still hitting it. Okay, now it's over that little ridge and you can see that it is all flat. So just lift our little clip back over here. And that should hold it into place. So that's all there is. Put the two panels back on and you have changed your cabin filter. As always, thanks for watching guys. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful, and I will see you on the next project.